This video is about where you can get your hair cut in Korea. Martina recommended the Juno Hair Salon because they have no tax, tips, and they are well trained to virgin hair. I have often found people don't know what hair salons to go. Once I went to a hair salon and they treated me well. They gave me iced tea because it was summer and gave me cookies to eat because my hair took a long time to finish. We didn't have to give any tips. It is close to my house, so I go there when I have to cut my hair. This hair salon is very similar to the Juno Hair Salon. I think that Juno Hair Salon has good service, and the hair salon that has a good service is a good hair salon. According to my research on a neighbor blog, it said when you go to the Juno Hair Salon, while you're waiting, they give us a cup of tea and a hairstylist, and you talk about your hair. They also give you toast with jam and a glass of juice. When you are bored, they give you a tea to drink or a book to read, and it is cheaper than other hair salons. That is why Juno Hair Salon is good and has good service. All of the other hair salons have pretty good service, but they fail to realize that they only give just one cup of tea and cookies. In Juno Hair Salon, they give more stuff like juice, toast, coffee, tea, and a book. It looks like a little different, but it is a big difference if you really try it. Some people believe all of the hair salon doesn't have sex and tips. There are many hair salons that have tips and tax. So I think a hair salon has a good service is a good hair salon.